Wesley, how you doing today?
I'm doing great. Yeah.
Awesome. So I know you're in the solar business and we're skeptical about using our solar tax max plan. You purchased a solar system yourself and
Yep.
decided to give us a try. We went and gave you all the IRS forms for you to turn on your extra solar incentives on top of the 30% tax credit. We hooked you up with our sister company who does tax filing and tax strategy. And tell me
Yep.
a little bit about the benefits that you received in working with Solar Tax Pros.
Absolutely. Yeah. And first and foremost, just thank you. Thank you for educating me. Thank you for making me aware that I was entitled to more incentives than I actually knew about. Um, how I got involved in this is I put solar on my home, and after 2 years of having it, I loved it so much that I joined the industry. And when I joined the industry, I realized most companies were guiding people towards PPAs or the lease route, right? And I started to ask myself, well, I don't have that option. I have a loan, and after talking with solar tax pros, I realized that both in my situation and some of my clients, the loan is the better option if you are educated on the incentives that are out there, which my experience has been that most accounting firms are not. They're aware of the 30% tax credit, and that's it. And what you guys really did was you educated me that essentially this is a business on top of my home, and that business transaction is subject to uh, biz, business benefits like deductions and things of that nature. So from start to finish, it's just been incredible. Uh, you know, Working with the sister accounting firm, my rep Mike, he reached out right away, and it's been seamless thus far. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you.
Oh, that's a unbelievable story. Thank you for sharing that with us. We're very excited that you got the extra money back. Roughly speaking, on top of your 30% tax credit, how much extra money did you get back?
I am receiving an additional 10% due to the area that I live in, as well as the additional 7,500.
Okay,
So all said
awesome.
and done, probably about $40,000
$40,000 of money back in your pocket.
that I was unaware of.
Right. Absolutely. That's beautiful. So I think that's what the viewers need to see and hear, to feel comfortable. And then just tell us a little bit about your experience in the solar industry now that uh,
My experience has been is that utilities in general are it's a complicated, complex concept that many people they just don't know. They receive this bill in the mail every month or online, and basically they look at how much they owe, and they have no idea how the utility company came up with that. So what I do is, I've made it my personal business to, number one, educate people on how to read their electric bill and where these fees and generation charges come from. And number two, just to educate them on the other options that are out there as a result of solar increasing the technology over the course of the last 60 years. When done properly with integrity and open-mindedness, solar is a great solution. And the bottom line is not everybody qualifies. So if you do qualify, it's a good look.
Yeah, I think that, if you're an income tax payer, you're definitely going to get some rewards back from the IRS for going solar. And if you earn, a certain amount, you're going to get some extra solar incentives, right? If you're not an income tax payer, it might be better for you to lease a solar system because you're not going to get any tax benefits back. And, that's the story there. How much can you get back? Well, speak to solar tax pros and check us out, and we'll run through your custom scenario. if we have to carry some tax credits forward, we can actually carry them backwards to put the money in your hands sooner rather than later. And you know, we're in a great position to help people collect the solar incentives that they're entitled to. Wesley, why don't you tell the viewers how to get a hold of you if they're interested in a solar quote?
Absolutely. Yeah, you can just reach out to me directly at 610-554-5533, or you could simply just Google my name. That's Westley with a T, Morris, and I'm very Googleable. One last thing that I want to tell you is your tax max calculator is an incredible tool when dealing with the client, because it really just calculates everything that I need to let me know what type of benefits this customer will receive. It's been invaluable in closing deals. So thank you for creating that.
And are you using the pre-sale phone a friend consultation where we speak to your homeowners directly and explain the solar incentives to them for their unique situation? And you know, we're just giving them straight advice,
Yep.
answers to what their unique situation is. How has that helped you in your business process?
Absolutely, because as a subject matter expert, my expertise is within solar. I'm not an accountant. So having that third party authority at my fingertips to, provide that certainty to my homeowners is incredible. It really is. Don't take it from me. These guys are the experts. Talk to them.
Thank you. Thank you. And of course, you can reach out to us on solartaxpros.com and book a call, and we'll go over your unique situation. Wesley, thank you so much for your time today. I think the viewers really appreciate your candidness.
Absolutely. Thank you for
Take
what you guys do.
Bye bye.